When traveling to India, and if you're not fully vaccinated, then in certain cases, it may still be necessary to do a RTPCR test upon arrival. To shorten the waiting time at the airport, it's best to book this RTPCR test online. Click the link in the description to open this website, and then click on Book COVID Test. Once you click, this page will open. Here you can see that the RT-PCR test costs 300 rupees right now. On this page, you have to select the type of your travel. Choose amongst the 4 options as applicable. Next, the STF request number. This is the self-declaration form number which you must have received in your email. This request number starts with a SR. Fill that and the email address and then click on autofill. The form gets filled out automatically with the details that you have provided while filling the STF. Example, your flight details, full name, address, etc. Next, select the appointment date. After this, select the appointment slot timing. If you're a transit passenger, click on yes and it'll ask you the details for your onward flights. If India is your final destination, then click on no and then you'll have to fill out the local address details. Next, select the type of test, that is the RT-PCR test. If you're traveling solo, then obviously the number of passengers will be 1. But if you're in a group, then select the correct number of people and then you'll be asked to fill out all the personal details just as for yourself earlier. After this, accept the declarations and click Book Now. Note that you can also cancel or change the appointments via the links here. Once booked, you'll receive a confirmation over email, WhatsApp and text message. Please like and share this video if this was helpful and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one.